Hi loves, today let's make keto version of chicken asado. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. So in a small mixing bowl, put spicy paprika, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and anise, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 tablespoon of sweetener, and 1 tablespoon of grated garlic, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and I use a 2 tablespoon of non-GMO soy sauce, or you can use coco aminos, it's fine. And add some salt, and you just mix all the ingredients. So this will be our sauce on the chicken asado, so set aside. Now in a wok, turn on gas on medium fire. So I slightly grease it. Now add the 1 kilograms of chicken, any part, and put 4 teaspoons of grated ginger, and cover it about 15 minutes, medium fire. Now you just mix the ginger to the chicken and cover again for another 15 minutes. And now let's add the sauce we made before. And mix all the ingredients. Mix the sauce to the chicken, what I mean. Now I dice some 1 tomato and half of the onions. Put into the chicken. And add 1 cup of water. So I put water on the mixing bowl we used to the sauce. Mix it and cover about 20 minutes in low fire. After 20 minutes, remove the cover and you just mix it. Now let it simmer until the sauce become thickened. Now add butter. When the sauce becomes thickened, and you just mix it. And garnish it with some scallions. And that's it. This is ready. This is so good and I love it. My craving satisfied on chicken asado, but in keto version. So you can enjoy this with your salad or any low carb side dish. So that's it. I hope this recipe will satisfy your cravings. Thank you and God bless. Love you all.